Dear children, the second part of I Am Flying story of class 4, chapter 6. So the second part, I am going to start the second part of the story. The boy try his legs to travel. Soon the wind just whistled across the two children's faces. What does the mean wind? Wind means air that moves quickly as a result of natural forces. And whistle means moved quickly, making a high sound. The little girl's father began to cry as he watched his daughter flapping her arms up and down in the wind, all the while yelling at the top of her voice, "Look, Daddy, I am flying, I am flying." What did the girl's father do? The girl's father began to cry as when he watched that his daughter flapping her arms in the up and down in the wind. Children, flapping means moving fastly, moving quickly up and down. Okay. और लड़की के जो पापा थे वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब कि लगा कि वो रो देंगे, क्योंकि वो जब अपने बेटी को देख रहे थे कि उनकी बेटी इस तरह से हवा में उड़ रही थी, जैसे अपने हाथों को ऊपर नीचे कर रही थी, उन्हें ऐसा फील हो रहा था जैसे उनकी बेटी उड़ रही हो हवा में. एट द वाइल येलिंग एट द टॉप ऑफ हर वॉइस. येलिंग मीन्स shouting loudly. At the top means to say something as loudly as one can. Okay, the girls were shouting so lightly, so loudly, like, "Look, Daddy, I am flying, I am flying." लड़की जो हवा में उड़ रही, मतलब कि उसको ऐसा फील हो रहा था जैसे कि वो उड़ रही हो, इतनी तेजी से वो जो लड़का था उसको लेकर के इतनी तेजी से वो दौड़ रहा था, बिल्कुल ऐसा फील हो रहा था कि जैसे वो लड़की हवा में उड़ रही हो. और ये देख करके उसके फादर को भी रोना आ गया. उन्हें भी ऐसा महसूस हुआ कि उसकी बेटी हवा में उड़ रही है, और वो लड़की भी बहुत ज़ोर से चिल्ला करके बोल भी रही थी, "Look, Daddy, I am flying, I am flying." So children, this was the story कि कैसे उस छोटे लड़के ने उस गर्ल को हेल्प किया, उसकी विश को पूरा करने के लिए उसे कैसे हेल्प किया. वो लड़की चल नहीं सकती थी, दौड़ नहीं सकती थी दूसरे चिल्ड्रन की तरह, लेकिन उसने उसको हेल्प किया, और उसकी मदद से, उसकी हेल्प से वो लड़की हवा में बिल्कुल इस तरह से उड़ने लगी जैसे कि बर्ड्स उड़ते हैं. ये देख करके उसके फादर को भी बहुत खुशी हुई, और वो लड़की भी बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो गई थी. सो चिल्ड्रन, इफ़ यू वांट टू फील गुड, डू गुड, मेक योरसेल्फ हैप्पी एंड मेक अदर्स हैप्पी. And children, helping others is not only good for them and a good thing to do, it also makes us happier and healthier too. I hope you understand the story. You all understood it. So now come to page number 36. There are some word meaning given over here. See the first word meaning. At the top of the voice. At the top of the voice means to say something as loudly as one can. Okay. Believes in. Believes in means feel that something is right or acceptable. Flapping means moving quickly up and down. Instead means in place of something. Park means an area of public land in a town where people go to walk, play or relax. Sand castle means piles of sand made to look like castles. Slide, to move easily over a surface. Travel, to go or move at a particular speed in a particular direction. Understand means to know or realize how or why something happens. Vast. Vast means viewed with interest. Wheelchair, a special chair with wheels used by people who cannot walk. Whistles means moved quickly, making a high sound. Wind, air that moves quickly as a result of natural forces. Whist. Whist means wanted something to happen. Wondered. Wondered means thought about something curiously. Wonderful. Wonderful means very good, pleasant or enjoyable. Yelling means shouting loudly. And zoo means a place where many kinds of wild animals are kept for public to see. So children, come to page number 39. See first one, some exercise related with this chapter. So come, let's do this chapter and complete these exercises. Okay. A. First C, take the correct answers. What you have to do here? You have to tick the correct answers. Okay. The options are given here. You have to select the correct option. See first one. Where was the little girl playing? See, option A, garden, option B, beach, or option C, park. The park is the right answer. Take option C, park. Option 2. The little girl's father came to take her home on a wheelchair. Option A. Option B, car. Option C, bicycle. The girl's father came to take her on a wheelchair. So, tick option A. Option is the right answer. Okay. Now, see number 3. Why did the little girl's father cry when he watched his daughter flapping her arms? See, option A. He was sad, he was thrilled, or he could not believe what he saw. So, tick option C. He could not believe what he saw. Now, see 4. Fourth number. From the opposite given below, tick the word that describe the little boy. A. Here what you have to do, from the option given below, you have to tick the word that describe the little boy, that how the little boy was. Okay. A. He was kind. B. He was brave. Option D. He was helpful. And option F. He was intelligent. Tick option F. Okay. Now come to second option. Second exercise. Complete these sentences. See first one. The little boy could not understand why he could not fly. Children, complete the sentences. Okay. The little boy could not understand that why he could not fly. 2. The little girl wished to walk and run like other little boys and girls. Other little boys and girls. Okay. Option 3. The two children talked and laughed. The two children talked and laughed. Now come to option 4. The little girl was flapping her arms while yelling at the top of her voice. The little girl was flapping her arms while yelling at the top of her voice. Okay. Okay. Now come to the question answers. Okay. Take out your copy and write down the question and answers. See question number 1. Answer this question. Question number 1 of this exercise. I am flying. Chapter 6. What did the little boy wish to do? Answer. The little boy wished to fly like a bird. Okay, write down. The little boy wished to fly like a bird. Question number 2. Why did the little girl wonder what it would be like to walk and run? The answer is the little girl wondered that why she can't walk and run like other little boys and girls. She thought that why can't I be like them? Once again I am going to read out the answer. The little girl wondered that why she can't walk and run like other little boys and girls. She always thought that why can't I be like them? Okay, come to question number 3. What do you think the little boy whispered into the little girl's father's ear? The answer is, I think the little boy whispered into the girl's father's ear that I will fulfill her dream. Okay. Question number 4. What did the little boy tell his new friend to do? What did he do after that? So the answer is, the little boy told his new friend to slide up onto his back. After that he began to run. Okay children. Now see the question number 5. Why do you think the little boy wanted to fly like a bird? Then the answer is, I think the little boy wanted to fly like a bird because he wanted to feel that how birds fly so high in the sky and how does it feel. Okay children. Now the question number 6 is given in the book, that how do you think the little girl felt when she was flapping her arms? Okay. So children, In this, how do you think the little girl felt when she was flapping her arms? So take the correct options. This option are given here. You have to take the correct option. How she was feeling, how she felt when she was flapping her arms in the air. So she was feeling option A sad, B scared, C angry and sad, option D thrilled, option E disappointed, and option F delighted. Then option F delighted. Take option F. This is the right answer. Okay. This is the answer of question number 6. This is the last question and the answer is delighted. Okay. Okay, now come to answer the question with reference to context. Option D. Exercise D. Look, Daddy, I am flying, I am flying. The question is, who is the speaker of the given line? So see, who is the speaker of the given line? The little girl is the speaker of the given line. What made, question number B, what made the speaker say this? The answer is, the little boy made the speaker say this. Okay. Now question number C, last one. How did the speaker's father react? The answer is, the speaker's father began to cry as he watched his daughter flapping her arms up and down in the wind. So children, all the question and answer are finished. Now come to option A. We use simple past tense to express what happened in the past. What we use? We use simple past tense to express what happened in the past. See example. हम लोग सिंपल पास्ट टेंस का यूज कब करते हैं कि पास्ट में क्या हुआ था, उस जगह पे हम लोग सिंपल पास्ट टेंस को यूज करते हैं. तो चिल्ड्रन, सी एग्जाम्पल द गिवन हियर. The little boy wished to fly like a bird. The little boy wished? He wished to fly like a bird. Okay. See A. Fill in the blanks with the past tense form of verbs given in the bracket. Here what you have to do? You have to fill the blanks with the past form of verbs given in the bracket. The verbs are given in the bracket, so you have to fill here in the past tense form. Okay. See first one. They dashed together in the park. They played together in the park. So I will write here, play का past form होगा, past tense होगा played. Okay. They played together in the park. Okay. The boy dashed to the zoo. Go का past tense होगा went. So I will write here went. The boy went to the zoo. Okay. C3 number. Sita blanks an interesting story. The ब्रैकेट में यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ बच्चों? ब्रैकेट में यहाँ राइट दिया है, तो पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म राइट का होगा, राइट इज वर्ब, एंड इसका पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म क्या होगा? रोट. सो आई विल राइट हियर रोट. सो राइट डाउन इन योर बुक रोट. Sita wrote an interesting story. The keys dash the movie. The keys blanks the movie. The verb is like, and you have to convert into past tense and then put in the blanks. The keys like the movie. So I will write here liked. So write down in your book liked. So see, the kids liked the movie. Option 5, Mohan. Mohan blanks the library book. So in the blanks is given return, so you have to convert into past tense. So what you will write here? You will write returned. Mohan returned the library book. So here I will write returned. Okay. Mohan returned the library books. Now last one is 6 number. The little boy dash the little girl played in the sand. The verb is C is in the given bracket. In the bracket, C is given here. So you have to convert into past tense form of verbs. So here what you will write? You will write here the little boy see, past tense होगा saw. The little boy Little boy saw the little girl playing in the sand. So you will write here saw. So do it in your book. So write down in your book. Okay. Now see B. Rewrite the following sentences in the past tense. Here what you have to do? You have to rewrite the following sentence in the past tense. Okay, I am going to explain you how you will do it. C. C writes a letter. Writes is not in the past tense. So you have to convert into past tense. So what you will write here? She wrote a letter. She wrote a letter. We will change right here. Okay. Then we will, in the place of write, we will what we will write? We will write wrote. She wrote a letter. Monica sings a sweet song. Monica sings a sweet song. So we will change into past tense. So what we will write here? Monica sang a sweet song. In the place of sing, we will write sang. Monica sang a sweet song. She wrote a letter. Now see 3 number. They play cricket. So we will write here they played. They, in the place of play, we will write played. Okay. See option 4. The train leaves at 7 a.m. Okay. The train left at 7 a.m. So in the place of leave, we will write leaved at 7 a.m. Now number 5. Priya enjoys writing poems. So what we will write here? In the place of enjoy, we will write enjoyed. Priya enjoyed writing poems. Now see the last one. Question number 6. The 2 children play for hours. So in the place of play, we will write the 2 children played for hours. So children, I have already done it. So it's easy for you to write in the book. And I hope you understood it. So बच्चों, आप लोग यहाँ क्या करेंगे? आप लोग रीराइट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस इन द पास्ट टेंस. आप लोग सेम चीज़ को लिखेंगे लेकिन पास्ट टेंस में लिखेंगे. आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. आप इसको सेम एज अपनी कॉपी में बनाएंगे. ओके. एंड नाउ सी वर्ड वाइज. Come to exercise A. Circle the words that are noun. So this is so easy, children. So I am going to explain you one. मैं आपको एक बताऊंगी and you will do all the rest exercises. Okay. Because this is so easy. See what you have to do. You have to circle the words that are nouns. Okay. See first one. Fly, pretty, bird or beautiful. So which word is noun? Bird is noun. I will circle bird. Why? Because fly is verb, pretty is adjective and beautiful is adjective. So bird is noun. Once again I am going to repeat. The name of person, place, animal, bird or things is called noun. Okay. So I will circle bird here. Okay. So rest the exercise you can do it yourself. Okay. This is your homework. And see option B. Color the words that go together with similar carry-ons. One is done for you. One is already done, but I did in book. Okay. ताकि आप लोग को समझने में प्रॉब्लम ना हो. आप लोग इसी तरह से बच्चों अपने बुक में बनाएंगे. कलर द वर्ड दैट गो टुगेदर विद सिमिलर कैरी-ऑन्स. आपको उस वर्ड को सर्कल करना है जो कि सिमिलर हो, एक वर्ड दूसरे वर्ड से कनेक्टेड हो. ठीक है. सो जैक इज फ्रूट. सो यहाँ पे जैक ऑलरेडी येलो क्रेयॉन से कलर किया हुआ है, तो फ्रूट उसका सिमिलर है. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे उसके फ्रूट को भी येलो से ही कलर कर दिया गया है. तो यहाँ पे जैक और फ्रूट एक साथ जा रहे हैं. ठीक है. तो ये बनेंगे जैक फ्रूट. सी वैसे ही स्टैंड, अंडर, तो अंडर स्टैंड. ओके. साइन बोर्ड, तो मैंने लाइट ग्रीन कलर से किया है. सैंड कासल, मैंने ऑरेंज कलर से किया है, इस तरह से आपको समझ में आएगा। द वर्ड्स दैट गो टुगेदर विद सिमिलर कैरी-ऑन्स, इसी तरह आप इसको अपने बुक में करेंगे। ओके, एंड नाउ द लास्ट एक्सरसाइज, फिल इन द मिसिंग लेटर, सी पेज नंबर 41, फिल इन द मिसिंग लेटर टू कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस। फर्स्ट वन, यहाँ पे बच्चों क्या करना है आपको इस ब्लैंक्स में मिसिंग लेटर डालना है और सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करना है। ओके, द लिटिल बॉय विश टू फ्लाई लाइक अ बर्ड। ओके, मैंने क्या किया, जो भी यहाँ पे लेटर मिसिंग थे मैंने उस लेटर्स को यहाँ पे डाला और सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट किया है। उसी तरह आप ये जो रेस्ट एक्सरसाइज है उसको कंप्लीट करेंगे। ओके, डू इट, दिस इज योर होमवर्क। So children, the story is already completed and the exercise is already finished. So I am going to give you some homeworks with this chapter. So what you have to do? Firstly, you have to do all the exercises in your book, and जो copy में करना होगा वो आप copy में करेंगे. Write the question answers in your copy and learn it, and also write the word meanings in your copy and learn the word meanings. So this was your homework. So I hope you all understood it and do the homework. In the next class I will come with a new chapter. Till then, thank you. If you got any problem, then call me. Till then, thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.